Starting around 27 September 2023, Dogelon Mars fundamentally is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Elon sort of has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692 in a very enormous manner. This generally makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, sort of positioning at 262 in the digital money market, which in every way that really matters is very critical. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars by and large be fundamentally worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. Is Dogelon Mars a very wise speculation or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Will Elon cost generally outperform its unequaled high, which fundamentally is very huge? These fundamentally are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future in a sort of significant manner. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost truly is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of $0.00000018, the normal by and large least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to be $0.00000018, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Besides, Elon can by and large arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.00000020, showing that will Elon cost generally outperform its unequaled kind of high incredibly. Elon value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars certainly is determined to essentially be at around a very least worth of $0.00000015, which really is genuinely critical. The Dogelon Mars value worth can fundamentally arrive at a truly limit of $0.00000017, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars. Certainly further appearance how basically is Dogelon Mars a very wise venture, or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, or so they generally thought. Elon value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars generally is gauged to generally be at around in every practical sense, least worth of $0.00000016, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Dogelon Mars value worth can arrive at a kind of limit of $0.00000017 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars. So in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars basically be all things considered worth in 2023 in an especially significant way? Elon value figure October 2023. The Dogelon Mars gauge for October 2023 expects that the Elon may sort of arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.00000018, with a very least cost of around $0.00000017. Most certainly further appearance how certainly is Dogelon Mars a by and large wise venture, or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the by and large normal value, Elon can stretch around $0.00000017 for October, so Elon value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is determined to explicitly be at around an extremely least worth of $0.00000015 in a kind of significant manner. Dogelon Mars value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars especially is supposed to in a real sense be at around a truly least of $0.00000017, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars cost can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.00000019, with the very normal cost of $0.00000018 in United States dollars, sort of additional appearance. How Elon value estimate October 2023. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Elon may fundamentally arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.00000018 with a by and large least cost of around $0.00000017. In every way that really matters, further appearance. How basically is Dogelon Mars a genuinely wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Elon value estimate December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Dogelon Mars certainly is supposed to, in every practical sense, arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.00000018, which generally shows that Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogelon Mars conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Elon cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a very normal value level of $0.00000018, the normal most certainly least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to generally be $0.00000018 in an especially huge manner. The Elon cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.00000020, with the really normal cost around $0.00000018, or so they generally thought. Dogelon Mars fundamentally passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been really diminished by 0.65% in its sort of current worth, exhibiting that Elon value figure October 2023. The Dogelon Mars estimate for October 2023 expects that the Elon may by and large arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.00000018, with a genuinely least cost of around $0.00000017. Pretty further appearance. How sort of is Dogelon Mars a kind of wise venture, or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very huge. Assuming we truly look at the truly current market cap of the Elon with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap especially is likewise down in an extremely significant manner. Dogelon Mars explicitly is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, showing how Elon value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars basically is determined to for the most part be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $0.00000015, which by and large is very huge. The Elon really is down to nearly 1.37% in the very most recent 7 days, so Elon has a complete market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692, which certainly is genuinely critical. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past lovely few days. The coin could essentially areas of strength for have yet. We don't actually imagine that it would a productive